Hey friends, today we are going to discuss another AI tool that is called HeyBoss AI. This is the easiest no-code AI builder for websites and applications. So websites that may market themselves, AI builds custom websites in minutes, even with SEO, CRM, email, and payments. So see how incredibly you can do all these professional things with one single individual AI platform that is called HeyBoss.ai. So you can navigate to your browser and open HeyBoss.ai, and here now you can log in. So you can sign in with Google or you can continue with your email. So it will send you the code. So the code you will put here to log in, and let me put here. So once you put the code here, so you are logging here. Now here it's asking in the prompt box like what kind of websites are you building? Example, I am building a website for my coaching business. I help new moms advance in their career. So I will type here like I'm building a website for my IT institute, and I teach students, I teach web development, graphic designing, video editing, and digital media marketing courses to students. And here you can upload like logo if you want. You can add photos and files. You can add CSV, Excel, file to create tables. I will add just logo and we'll go to my this logo we will attach here. And now you can see the logo has been attached. You can select the style if you want, or otherwise you can leave it blank and just click on generate. Make sure you have more options, like you clone a website, you can webinars, sign up, you can use these shortcuts, and otherwise we are using this prompt. Therefore I will click here on generate, and it will generate the stunning website. So AI is building. We will ping an email when ready. So we need to wait a few minutes, and once the website will ready, we can see. Till then, I pause the video and I will resume once it complete. Hey, so it's done. You can see now. So see the courses, testimonials, and contact us, and the logo is also here. So it's like the navigation header of the website. And then you can see an hero section like slider, and here explore courses, get started today. Wow. Our premier courses, you can see like web development, graphic designing, video editing, digital media marketing. The courses that I explained in the prompt box from our students, like testimonials, feedback. Ready to start, tell us your problems, and see, it's amazing. So you can click like edit your project with visual editor. This is only available in desktop, so you can edit. Like this one I want to edit, just click here, and here we can update like +92 313 like this. See, it is updated. And like this one, info@itsolutions.com, I can change it to like, if I want info@ visit us. So once you're done, you can click on the save. Font size, line height, margin, the color also. So you can change everything. So each and every element you can select, and you can modify the content according to your own requirements. See, it's updated. So anything like this I want to change, edit. So ready to start, tell us your problem. Ready to start. Enroll. Now. See. Today. See, anything you want to change, you can change. From our students, so see, this is the student name. For example, Saifullah. So see, the name has been changed. So everything you change, you need to just save it. So once you have done everything, you can see how incredibly we have created our website using HeyBoss.ai. And here you can see like the SEO also. So for that we need to upgrade. So Google search result, like site name, default title. This is a default description. Favicon you can upload from here. And this is for Twitter. So these settings also you can control from here. The SEO settings. And here you can see the home page. You can make clone of the pages also from here. You see, you can select it from here. And the code, everything, see, this is a code also that you need to upgrade to access code editor also. So I will recommend that you should upgrade if you want to edit the code as well. And here, like admin dashboard, my data, these all things you can see. And this is mobile version. You can also see here, like how your website will show in the mobile devices. So the mobile responsive version you can also see here. So once you have done, you can click on publish and you can host on a free HeyBoss domain. And see, this one is here. You can see here. Or if you want to connect with domain, so you need to upgrade, then you can do this one. Like you can connect with your own domain or you can buy the domain. So once you publish it, so it will publish on the HeyBoss, as a subdomain platform. On platform it will publish and it will be subdomain. So this was the easy way, as I explained you, like using HeyBoss AI platform, that is, website builder, AI website builder. So you can build website. So you can see, copy, so project publish. So you can check also online. So you can see, but IT solutions is here, and explore courses, get started today. Each and everything is here that we created. You can see Saifullah, we edited this one, the name, and we also changed this one. And then also we change this one. So you can modify each and everything, and then you can see courses, testimonials, and contact us. So it is like one page website. You can see, amazing. It looks stunning. So you can design your website easily using HeyBoss. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends so they can also learn these AI things and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.